Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about regular expression. So it is a non-primitive built-in object. The shorthand notation of regular expression is nothing but rec-ex. It is a sequence of object to form a search pattern. Let me see. Regular expression is an object. What kind of object? It is a non-primitive built-in object that describes a pattern of characters. What are the applications of regular expressions? The main applications of regular expressions are pattern matching, and another one is search and replace function on text. The syntax of regular expression is slash followed by pattern, what you are searching for, and followed by the slash. If you want to specify the modifier means you can use it. Otherwise, there is no need to specify the modifiers. If you want to learn about the regular expression means you have to understand the concept of modifiers, quantifiers, meta characters, and patterns. Modifiers. If the modifier is I means it will perform the case insensitive matching. What it means? It mainly focus on text, not on the cases. What is being the cases? Such as uppercase or lowercase. It will not bother about the cases. G. If the modifier is G means it will perform the global match. It will return all the matches found in the specified document. If the modifier is M means it will perform the multi-line matching. The next concept is patterns. It is used to define the range of values with the help of square brackets. So pattern is used to define the range of values. So inside the square bracket, we have specified the ranges A, B, C. So it is used to find any character between the bracket. So take the second case, it's nothing but cap. So here the cap refers the not. So here it is used to find any character not between the brackets. So and the next one is 0 to 9. It is used to find any character between the bracket. So what it means, it is used to find any digits. Okay, here we have specified the digits. No. Next one is not digit. Okay, not 0 to 9 means it is used to find any digit not between the bracket. So usually it will return the non-digit number. So non-digit character. And X or Y. So within the parentheses, we have specified the alternatives X or Y. It is used to find any of the alternatives specified. Meta character. It has special meaning. Okay, what it means? Slash D means it is used to find a digit. Slash S means it is used to find a white space character. Slash B means it is used to find the match at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word. So let me see. If you want to find the match at the beginning of the word means we have to use slash B at the beginning. Okay. If you want to search or you have to find the match at the end of the word means you should use the slash B at the end of the word. And slash U 4x. It is used to find the Unicode character specified by the hexadecimal number. So here cap. As we all know, what is the meaning of cap? It is nothing but not. So here cap and dollar as line context, whereas slash B is the word context. So let me see about quantifiers. It is used to specify the quantities. So take the first one. If the quantifier is n plus, so what is the meaning of plus? It refers one or more. So it matches any string that contains at least one n. So what is mean? One or more. 1 to n number is possible. And n star. So if the quantifier is n star means, so what is the meaning of star? Star means 0 or more. So it matches any string that contains 0 or more occurrence of n. Here n question mark. So question mark refers 0 or 1. So it matches any string that contains 0 or 1 occurrence of n. Once again repeat this. Plus means 1 or n or 1 to n. Star means 0 or more. Question mark means 0 or 1. So let me see about the regular expression. Where is the declaration statement? Pat that is equal to. Pat is nothing but variable name. that is equal to slash word slash I. Here word refers pattern, I refers the modifier. It is nothing but case insensitive. It will not bother about the cases of, such as uppercase or lowercase. Pat is the variable name, okay, because it is the regular expression variable. By holding its type, we can determine the type of the variable. So here, regular expression always work with the string method. So here we are having two string method. One is search, another one is replace. Let me see about this search. Search is used to search the specified pattern from the or in the specific document. Where str that is equal to hello world. So here str is the object. It is holding the string hello world. So we can say str is a string object. Where n equal to str dot search of world. str is the string object. By using the string object, we are searching the word world. Okay. So here it will return the starting portion of the word world. So here the specified string object is nothing but hello world. So from the string object, we are searching the word world. Okay. So the starting portion of the word is nothing but, as we all know, the string object or the string is started from 0. So therefore h is located at 0, E is 1, L is 2, and this L is 3, this O is 4, and this Y space is 5, and W is nothing but 6. Therefore, the starting portion of the word is nothing but 6. And the next string function is nothing but replace, is used to replace the old string by new string, where str that is equal to visit VCE. Here the str is the string object because it is holding the string visit VCE, where res that is equal to str dot replace of. So the replace method having the first function is old string and Vaigai College is the new string. Okay. So here VC is replaced by the new string Vaigai College. Therefore, the res is the variable that is holding the string visit Vaigai College. After replace, we have the string visit Vaigai College. The result of the res is nothing but visit Vaigai College. So let me see about regular expression object. Here there are two kind of method we are using. One is test, another one is execute. Test, it is used to search the string for a pattern, and also it return true or false depending on the result. Let me see this with the example where pat that is equal to /c/a. Here we are specifying the pattern is nothing but E. By using the pattern object PATT, we are calling the function or method is said to be tested. So inside the test, we have specified the string, the best things in life are free. So here we are testing if the specified pattern is present or not. Yes, absolutely. E is present in the string, the best things in life are free, because E is found at the position 2 as well as position 5. Okay. So the answer is, output is true. So the above two line can be short-handed into single line. So let me see how. Straight away we can specify the pattern and we can call the method test. So inside the method we can specify the string. Okay. In this way we can shorten the above two lines. So the next method is said to be execute. It is used to search a string for a specified pattern and return the found text as an object. So it will return the result as an object. Okay. If there is no match is found, it will return null object as the output. So /e/ this is the pattern object. As we all know, we can say this is a pattern dot exe. By calling exe method, we can have the portion of the pattern. So the string specifying the string is specifying here is nothing but the best things in life are free. So by executing this method, we can have the portion of the pattern. So E is found at the position 2 at first. So therefore the output will be the pattern E is found in the position 2 in the text. So the best things in life are free. So let me see about some MCQ. The dollar present in the regular expression object is called. So dollar is nothing but meta character, as we all know. Okay, therefore option C is the correct answer. Consider the following JavaScript statement containing the regular expression and check if the pattern matches. Okay, in order to check if the pattern matches, we have to use a test method, as we all know. Okay, here where text that is equal to testing 1, 2, 3. Here text is the string object because it is holding the string testing 1, 2, 3. Where pattern that is equal to //d plus /g. Here the pattern is nothing but d plus. Okay, as we all know, when we are using the slash means we can say it is nothing but pattern. Okay, as we all know how to write the test method. So first of all, we have to specify the pattern, then we can call the test method. Inside the test method, we are having the string. Okay, so let me see in the option D only we are having that structure. So your pattern is nothing but pattern dot test is the method. That method having the argument as string. So what is the string here? It is nothing but text. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. The regular expression to match any one character not between the bracket. So as we all know, what is the meaning of not? It is nothing but cap. Okay. Therefore, option C and C, we can take it into the account. And then we are going to match any one character. That's why we need the dot dot. So therefore, option C is the correct answer. What does slash open square bracket, no, cap, open parenthesis, close square bracket, and star? As we all know, what is the meaning of square? See, what is the meaning of that? A square, it is used to define the ranges. As we all know, this is nothing but quantifiers. Okay, as it is used to define the ranges. As we all know, that with the help of square bracket, we can specify the ranges. So what is the meaning of cap? It refers the word not. So in the option A, in the option C, we are having the not phrases. So we can take it into the account A and C options. Next, what about the star? As we all know, what is the meaning of star? Star is nothing but 0 or more instances. So where is the 0 or more instance in the option A and C? Option C only having the 0 or more character. Therefore, match 0 or more characters that are not open parenthesis. So this is the description of the above regular expression. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Okay, star means 0 or more. This cap refers the not. So these two phrases comes in the option C. That's why the option C is the correct answer. Match 0 or more characters that are not open parenthesis. What does the sub expression /Java open parenthesis script close parenthesis question mark? As we all know, what is the meaning of the question mark? It is nothing but 0 or 1. What is the meaning of parenthesis? It is the optional one. So where the word option is coming. So so option A is having the word optional. That for option A is the correct answer. It matches the Java followed by the optional script. Option A is the correct answer. What is the most essential purpose of the parenthesis in the regular expression? As we all know, it is used to define the sub pattern. Okay. So where is the sub pattern present? In the option B, we are having the sub pattern. So it is used to define the sub patterns within the complete pattern. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. And the next MCQ is the method that performs the search and replace operation to strings for pattern matching is option A, search and replace. Option B, add. Option C, edit. Option D, replace. As we all know, two string method always work with the regular expression. First one is search, second one is replace. So therefore, option D is the correct answer. Thank you.